Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Zittle Farms YouTube channel. Scott here. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Omelet Universal Automatic Chicken Coop Door, and that's at omelet.us, OMLET.us. A lot of reviews on this, positive reviews. We think it's great as well. Bottom line, it's great. A few things I would change about the information that's on the website. But as the chicken door itself, it's awesome. We love that it automatically opens in the morning and then closes in the evening. So if we're busy or if we're sleeping in or something, the chickens still get their time outside here in the run. One thing is, it is pretty pricey. At $189, it's pretty expensive for a chicken door. But over the life of it, I think it's going to be worth it for the convenience and the safety for the chickens as well. That did include free shipping as well. So $189, but free shipping. So when you get the door, it's got the door, the control panel up there, and the instructions. One thing that I said about I would change on the website is the information on the cutout here for your chicken coop. Online, there's some dimensions there that say it's 7 3/4 by 11 3/4, but when you get the instructions here, you should cut it 8 inches by 12 inches. 8 by 12 would be perfect. We're a little short here, but it works for us. It's okay. I've seen other people make the whole big cutout of the dimensions there. So I wish it was a little more clear on the dimensions of the cutout so you can continue building your coop, because there is always a back order on these. Usually it takes a few weeks. So don't forget 8 by 12 on the cutout. Some other things, the control panel that's up there, that takes 4 AA batteries, and that's supposed to last about 6 months is what they say online. We haven't had 6 months, so we'll do we'll see if that holds up. Another thing that John Eubank commented on the last video is about getting a light for inside the chicken coop for in the winter months when the days are shorter. And we will be purchasing the light that attaches right into that control panel for $15.99 at omelet.us as well. There is one other part that I wish we would have known beforehand is, as you can see, we made it level with the ground here. And whenever we had the chicken, the shavings and the poop and stuff was coming out the door here. So I do suggest raising this up 1.5 to 3 inches or so. We did build a berm inside here, I'll show you in a second, to keep the shavings and stuff inside the coop more so they don't bring it out. Some's in there, but it's not as bad as it used to be. Enjoyed this review on the omelet chicken door, and if you have any questions, please put them down below. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind, and see you guys on the next one.